Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Right, hope you're all doing great. Okay, welcome to the next part of video in the OLA automation series. The first video we created a framework. Second video we added all the reusable code, in the framework. Okay, so we added all this code in the framework. Okay, and in third video we added right one script where we navigated to the home page. Okay, in the next part of video, before that, as I all told you in the earlier, we need to start the Appium. Okay, let me restart the Appium again. With in the command prompt we need to start the Appium server. Okay, then we need to go to the Android studio and start a virtual device, create a virtual device, and start creating start a virtual device. Okay, so these two things is very right important, and we need to start the Appium inspector also. Okay, 1 minute, let me start the Appium inspector. Okay, we need to set the desired capabilities of the Appium inspector. Okay, this we did in the last video. I forgot to do before the video. Let me do it's a prerequisite, right? So let me add first the right platform name. Okay, Android. Okay, platform version. I just thought of doing before the video, but I forgot. Okay, platform version. Okay, device name. Okay, then the app. The path of the app. Next one is app package. Last video we saw how I started but I couldn't finish the how to find the app package and app activity. Okay, so this video I'll show you how to find the app activity and package through the command line. Okay, so we have to go to the command line and start the whatever app package you are going to find the app activity and package. We have to open the app. Okay, then we have to give this command adb shell dumps is window find str the current focus, which app is currently focused. It will take the app package and activity. Okay, so if you see Ola customer, this is an app package and this is an app activity. Okay, so it will take the app activity and the package with the help of this m current focus. Okay, so we can get the app package and the activity. Okay, so got it. This how you, if you need to find the for any app, you can find the app package and the activity. This is a package and this is an activity. Okay, so this is how we can find it. Okay, so now let me go mm, and set the below things. Okay, app package. Okay, automation name. Okay, and the UI automator. Okay, so parallelly I'll set another things also. We'll create a page class, which if test case we are going to do is I'll just click it. Okay, I'll show you what test case we are going to do it. Okay, so I'm going to click this three lines, right? Navigation links. Then I'm going to click my profile. Then I'm going to just click go to the accounts page actually. Right, click this one, the bar, and I'm going to navigate to this right accounts page. Okay, so that is what I'm just going to do. It's a very simple test case, right? There is no any other gestures or something like that here, like swipe, zoom, right, pinch or nothing is there. Just a simple right basic test case which I did here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is right, I'm going to create a page. Okay, right, page class account details page account details, right, steps. Okay, so now right, I've created two classes. One is a page class and is a step class for the test script which we are going to write it. Okay, so now right, let me go and create the page class here. Okay, first what I need to do is I'll just do a smart work here. Instead of typing everything, I'll just do a copy paste here. First we need to set the global variables apm driver and utility class util. Okay, let me copy this one and paste here. So I set the apm driver, right, and the utility class util. Okay, next we need what need to do is right, we need to find the locators. Okay, I'll just copy this four things. Okay, I'll go to the accounts detail page. I'll copy it. Just change the locator. We are going to find everything by X path, and we are using by right to find locate the elements. Right. So first one, what we need to do is right. I'll go here. Okay. First, we need to click the navigation link. Right. So what I'll do is right. First, let me right now open the Appium inspector here. Okay. Now let me start the session. Okay, so it should start the session now. Okay, it started the session. Okay, let it so it went to the first test case, right? We already did all these things. Let me 1 minute. Let me get a OTP. Last script we did, right? We did automate this one. Okay, so we did navigate to this one. We need to right inspect this one, right? Let me refresh in Appium inspector. You should get the current screen. Okay, let me inspect these three navigation links. Let me copy the XPath. Okay, let me face in the first thing. Okay, and change the phone number to navigation. Okay, first we need to click the three lines. Right, I inspected and located and stored in a variable called as navigation. Okay, now what I'm going to do is right, I'm going to click this one. I'm going to click this my profile arrow bar. Right, so what I'm going to do is right, I'm again going to the inspector. Okay, refresh it. Okay, let me I want to right inspect this arrow, right? So I'll just click it. Right, let me take the X path of this one. Okay, so my profile. Okay, that arrow bar I just took my profile. Okay, now let me paste the X path of this one. Okay, copy it. and I'll paste the X path of the my profile. Okay, next, right, what we need to do, we need to click this one. Okay, we need to click this one, we need to click this bar, right, this right, edit bar. Okay, so that is phone number. Okay, so phone number edit, right, let me name it as edit. Okay, let me go to the inspector again, refresh it, it should navigate to the current screen. Okay, then I need to locate this one. Okay, let me copy that and let me paste it. Okay, let me give just I'll name it as edit, right. Okay. Okay, now after doing that, right, we need to click here and we need to go to the accounts detail page. Okay, so I'll click this one, just right, we are going to the accounts detail page and I'm going to click it. Okay, so now I'll refresh it again. Okay. Okay, I'll inspect this one. Okay, I'll copy this one. I'll just name it as bar. Okay. Okay, so these are four locators we are going to locate right in our script. Okay, now I'll go to the home page. We need to create a constructor now. Okay, public. Okay, accounts details page. Okay, and we need to differentiate the instance variable, right, and the right constructed variable. Right, so for that we'll go here. Okay, I'll copy this driver, like a library class driver get. Okay, and this dot util new util class. Right, I'll right, we need to differentiate with the right current and the local one, right. So I'm just, we are using this dot driver library class dot driver dot get. This dot util equal to new utility class driver. I'm just using this and I'm passing inside the constructor so that the constructor is called in the test steps. Okay, so now we'll create three methods here: public, void. Okay, uh, click navigation. Okay, now what we do is, right, we'll give util dot. Okay, wait for right element to be clickable, we'll do that also. Okay, we use navigation and we'll wait for 30 seconds. Okay, then we'll click it. That's a, right, the best option to do it. Okay, click element, navigation. Okay, so I click the navigation, then again I'll copy the same thing, all the three things we are going to just click it. Right, so I'll give click my profile. Okay, and then I'll copy my profile. We'll wait till it clicked, then it's going to click it. Okay, so it wait for 30 seconds until it's going to click. We are doing an explicit wait here. Okay, now I'll click my edit. Okay, I'll give bar. Right, so we are going to do all the four operations here. Okay, so first click navigation and click my profile and click edit, and we are going to click the accounts detail page bar, so that is going to the next page. Okay, so we added all these methods and we added the page class in our in our framework. Now we'll go to the future file. Okay, so now right before running the scenario, we need to run the first scenario. Okay, so now for that we'll do a change. Instead of scenario, we'll change it to background. So for each time the basic scenario is running, for every time the basic scenario will run, then it's going to do the main scenario. Every time it's going to ask for the for right entering the basic going to the phone number, enter and go to the main page, right? For this we do the basic scenario. Okay, that I'll keep in background. For every scenario is going to invoke the background. Okay, every scenario is going to launch the hooks, go to the before step, initialize, launch the app, then it's going to run the background, then the scenario, then it's going to tear down. So this is the logic it's going to happen here. Okay, now scenario. See, okay, they're missing a spelling wrong. Okay, let me see. Okay, navigate to accounts. Okay, details page. Okay, first one is right, we'll add the same thing, just copy paste it. Okay, given first we should launch the app. Okay, then we have to click the navigation. Okay, link. Okay, and we need to click the right my profile bar or arrow. Okay, now then we need to, what you need to is right, should click the, what is the next step? Okay, we should go to the edit page, click the edit page. Okay, and then navigate to accounts details page, and then take screenshot. Okay, so this is the scenario which we are going to do. Okay, scenario. Okay, so this is correct spelling. Okay, now what we do is right, we'll generate steps here, we'll run as and generate steps. So first it will run the background, then it will go for the scenario. Okay, so if we run, should generate the steps here. One minute, let it generate the step. It's running the background first. Right, for every scenario it's going to run the background. Okay, that's why we give background. Let it right generate the snippets for the second scenario first. Let it run. It generated now. Let us copy the steps. Okay, we'll paste it. We'll give the imports given when right. So let me remove the unwanted steps. Okay, let me copy, right, and paste here. Let me change the home details page. Okay, let me copy the reference. I'm just changing everything, right? We need to create the object for the home details page, right? That is what I'm first doing. Okay, now, right, we need to change the constructor. It's old constructor, right? We need to change the constructor. Hmm. Now I think everything is set. Okay. First, we create an object for the accounts detail page details, and we create an object for the utility class util to right use those right methods from the accounts detail page and utility class. We need to call all the methods which we created here in the accounts detail page. Right. For that, we need to create an object. Then we need to create an object for utility. Okay. Now I'm keeping it global, so it can be called in the other methods also. Okay, so utility equal to new utility class library. So we are getting the library class driver in the utility class with the help of right static right library class dot driver dot get. Okay, so now what we need to do is right, we need to right call the objects, right, details dot, okay, click navigation. Okay, details dot, okay, so it's my profile. Okay, details dot, okay, my edit details, one minute, details dot, okay, my path. Okay, next one is util dot, okay, screenshot with timestamp. Okay, so we need to get the screenshot, right, accounts details page. Okay, so we are getting the screenshot for this also. Okay, so we created a page class, we created steps, and we create a future file. Let's run the framework. Okay, so first it's going to run the background first scenario, then it's going to run the main scenario. Okay, Appium server needs to be started. Okay, make sure you are doing that, and you are opening the right emulator. Okay, shortly we'll see another video for Android, sorry, iOS virtual device simulator also. We'll add simulator also in this framework. So please wait. So we'll going to add in the coming videos. Okay. So in this video, we'll consider the account little page. I'll add right simulator also. How to test in an iOS device also. So I gave the OTP manually. Okay, it's going to complete right the first scenario. Okay, so it's going to go to the notification. Okay, and took the screenshot for home page. Now it's going to launch the second scenario. First it clicks launch the app, click the navigation link, and it went to edit page, account details, and took the screenshot. Okay, so the two scenarios is passed here. Okay, let me refresh the project. Okay, I refreshed it. You see both the home page and the account detail page screenshot is there. Okay, so it took the screenshot for the home page, okay, and the account title page. Okay, so you got the screenshot for both. Okay, so this is how we can right do automation, and we can see the reports also. Let me show you. Okay, so extend report.html. Okay, open with the browser. Okay, so we can see the right what are steps which it right it hook step, launch app, click phone number, enter, verify slow device location, and it's showing all the steps, the time, and the status of them. Okay, so we can see the graph wise also. Okay, so we can generate an extend report. I have attached the extend report, right, right with this particular framework, so you are getting the extend report also. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. We'll add one more two scripts, and I'll try to integrate this with the capturing the Appium logs. Okay, and also I'll try to add the simulator with this framework. Let's see how it goes. Slowly we'll try to learn. Right. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Bye, meet you soon in the next part of video.